If your printer is printing like that, and your prints are smearing, and ink is leaking, and it destroys all the paper. So what you can do, you can get this from Amazon, and then you can clean the printer. It basically works because the ink is on all over the printer head. And when it prints, it smudges all the into the paper. So first you have to fill up the syringe. And then after that, you can see that, how I pour all the fluid in the printing station. And printer head is printing in this side. And then you can clean this with tissue paper or wipes. And you can see that all the ink, and it's collecting in the wipes. And then what you can do is also, you can use the alcohol. This is 50% alcohol. What you are gonna do that, you have to take the alcohol and put it on the tissue paper, and make it a little bit wet. It should be enough wet, that it's not like running through the tissue paper. So what you are going to do, you have to place the tissue paper on the printer side. And then you have to push the printer head. Be gentle with the printer head. Sometime it doesn't move, so you can turn it off, and turn it on again, and then try to move the printer head. I worked a few minutes. And then after that finally, it moves, so then you can see that how I'm trying to push the printer head. And trying to move, so then after that, after a lot of struggle I move, and then you place the tissue paper underneath, and then gently move the printer head to the other side, and then drag it to the under the printer head. You can see that how I am doing it. And basically, what it will do, that it will collect all the printer head ink. And the old clogged ink will be on the tissue paper. So you can change the side. Or if you want, you can get a new tissue paper and then try to do it. And I did 3 times. And then after that, the printer head was clean. And what you can do, now try to print again, and then you can see that if it's still smearing the print, you can do the nozzle cleaning and head cleaning, and after that, try to print several pages. And you can see the lot of difference after several prints. The print was better. And at the end, all the smearing and leak ink was gone. If you have any question regarding printer, you can ask me in the comments. I will definitely try to help you.